Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is Tuesday, May 5th. Yay, Mommy made muffins for breakfast. Yes, Brooklyn is asleep, so we're eating breakfast. Yeah, Daddy's upstairs on a phone call. We're gonna have a good day today, right? Better than yesterday?
Just saying that sweet word is thankful.
We are watching Aunt Crystal for our morning meeting.
Today as you go throughout.
Yeah, we're talking about being thankful.
Bye.
Bye. Hey. All right, she wanted to play Play-Doh. She's doing Play-Doh. Me and Lolo are gonna read some books this morning. Goku's ready for breakfast. And Troy is in here reading his book. So far so good this morning. Hopefully we'll keep it that way. We made a list, schedule type thing, so hopefully that'll do a little better today. All right, Troy's in here working. We just did some math. Now we're doing some social studies. These were in there, but they got too rowdy, so I had to get to the phones. And then after Troy gets done, we're gonna do something fun. All right, we just finished up some work and now we are making thank you notes for our teachers. You can start on another square or go down here. All right, Logan, pick out some colors and let's go draw your picture. All right, there's Logan's picture. Thank you for all you do. Love, Logan. All right, now you can draw them a picture, okay? You draw a picture on that side, okay? Yeah, whatever you want. Whatever you want. This is Troy's. Very cute. All right, you doing it too? She's drawing too. I like your picture, Brooklyn.
Green.
It is green. Look at your hair. It's so pretty. It's getting long, isn't it, girl? Yeah. You like Logan's picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
It is so beautiful.
These are my flowers.
Those are your flowers. We drew our bodies. That one's Troy. There's Brooklyn. They drew me. And there's Logan. Wants to try the birthday cake Kit Kat. Here's your one, Mario. Is it good? You like it? Do you like it, Logan?
You like it better than this?
This is good. I like this.
Want one?
Goku said, I like those fried pork skins. Did you get Cookie one? You like them, Cookie? Oh, yeah. Like that? Is it good, Brooklyn? Okay, fill it up. All right. We just finished up lunch. Yes, we're going to make bird feeders. You're going to be my helpers. We got some toilet paper rolls, some bird string, seed, and some string. And some knives, and I forgot peanut butter. So, I'm going to go get that, and we'll be right back. All right. They are putting their peanut butter on. Then we're going to dip it in bird seed. And then we are going to put some string on it and hang it in the tree. And she doesn't want to listen. And she already ripped hers. That's okay. The boys are doing a good job. Okay, yeah. Are you done?
Mommy, do it.
Okay, let me help you. Okay. All right, there's Troy dipping his in. You can just pour the seeds on top if you want and then kind of roll it so you don't get it all over. Because it's kind of hard and sticky.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. You're going to hang it in the tree and that's Brooklyn. She got hers.
Oh, we could put that on the outside over there.
Yep.
Mama,
You got it? All right, let me put your turn. All right, Lolo.
We're in the pen. Eating Mr. Bird Eater.
Good job. Ready for string. Yep. All right, there's Logan's hung in the tree. Troy's climbing the tree to put his up. And we put Brooklyn's right here. She's been calling the birds. She's been saying, come on. No mail? Okay. Well, it already ran, so it means we're not getting any. Troy's going up, 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 up. Whoa! Time for our afternoon walk. They are full of energy today. So we are walking, and hopefully they'll be ready to wind down and take a nap. Hey, boy, what do we find?
What's next?
Oh, wasp nest. Oh, cool. All right. We stopped by the playground, of course, our daily stop. We're not gonna stay long. There's a chance of thunderstorms today, and as you can see, it's quite cloudy today. So we're gonna wait, see what happens. Get back home. Go, Logan, go. Go, Logan. Go, Logan. Woo! Go, Brooklyn. Go, Brooklyn. Yeah. Go, Troy. Go, Troy. Whee! Ta-da! Alright, of course they had to get popsicles. Let me see your popsicles. Green, blue. Are they good? Brooklyn got red. Well, we had a good rest. Brooklyn is still asleep, y'all. She's been asleep for almost 3 hours. You cold? So we rested really well. Troy did some work. I'm running around the backyard and they are playing in the pool. They're having fun. It's kind of cold, but they don't seem to care. All right. All right, here goes Lolo down the slide. Ready, set, go. Woo! Boom. All right, Troy's turn. Ready, set, woo! Troy, you're about big as the slide is. Go, Logan. All right, good job. Good job, buddy. You can do it again. Woo! Good job. They've been playing. I just finished up 2 miles in the backyard. I think they're freezing, ready to get out. Brooklyn's still asleep. Here are the pups.